Alright, here's our big girls running here at 101 Garage. These are 1000 cc's or larger. This is all the startup, and I'll let you hear how different they each are. Katie, the KTM, is already running, as you can hear. She's a fine bike. That's Katie. Got her over in Gilbert, Arizona from a guy. It's a 2013 with only 12,000 miles on it. We're glad to have it in our collection, although it is definitely a different look. This is Aprilia. It's a 2007. It's a nice bike, 19,000 miles. Let me start her. Pretty neat bike. It has a thunder sound to it. It's just crazy. They're all kind of cold. It's been kind of chilly here in Arizona. That's Aprilia. There's only 200 of these made. So this is Isabella. We'll start her in a second. She's a 2007, only has 2,000 miles on her, and she came out of Texas. She's pretty smooth. She's a looker. She has a lot of good colors. Everything's really clean. I could use some different blinkers probably. Alright, here's Isabella running. Listen to her. She sounds really different, doesn't she? Isabella always sounds nice. Alright, here's Jenny. She's a GSXR 1100. She's a 91 with 32,000 miles on her. She's been around a little bit. Let's give Jenny a start. A little choke. There's Jenny. She's got dual exhaust aftermarket. I'm not very familiar with it, to be honest, but it did come with the stock mufflers too, and it has this filter here, which I think it makes it a little too rich. That's Jenny. There's a 2006 R1. This is Daisy. She has these aftermarket wheels, I think, to make it look really nice. So Daisy has 11,000 miles. Let's see what she'll start. Fuel injected. Daisy. That's all our big girls here at 101 Garage. Please subscribe, 101 Garage Arizona. We're on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. Check us out. Let us know what you want to see, have any questions, or if we can try to help. If you have any H1s or H2 ZX7s for sale, you you know who to call. That's me. I love them. All right, let us know what you like and dislike, and leave some comments. Appreciate it. Be kind. Bye.